In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. This is a handy skill for organizing virtual meetings efficiently within your organization or with external clients. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Outlook and hit Enter. This will bring up the results page where you should look for the official Outlook link. Click on it to be directed to the Outlook login page. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your Outlook account. It's crucial to ensure your login details are secure and that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth experience. Once logged in, navigate to the Calendar view. This is achieved by looking for the calendar icon or the word Calendar in your Outlook menu options and selecting it. Transitioning to this view allows you to see your upcoming schedule and provides an overview of the week or month ahead. Now, look for the New Event or New Meeting button. This is typically located in the top menu area. Clicking on this button will open a new form, which is where you'll fill in all the details pertaining to your meeting. First things first, you'll want to add a title for your meeting. Consider using a clear and concise title that lets attendees know at a glance what the meeting is about. Once you have filled in the title, it's time to add the attendees. In the designated fields marked Required or Optional, enter the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. Remember, the Required field is for key participants whose presence is necessary, while the Optional field is for those whose attendance would be beneficial but not imperative. Next, set the date and time for your meeting. It's helpful to use the Scheduling Assistant feature here. This tool aids in finding a time when all participants are available by displaying possible scheduling conflicts. By selecting times when all participants are free, your meeting is more likely to go smoothly with full attendance. Moving on to the New Event form, search for the Teams Meeting toggle. This toggle is essential because it converts your calendar event into a Microsoft Teams meeting, ensuring all participants receive a Teams link to join the meeting virtually. Make sure this toggle is turned on before proceeding. In the main body of the invitation, you have the opportunity to add any additional details about the meeting, such as an agenda or important notes. Providing a clear agenda helps participants come prepared and keeps the meeting focused. Finally, once all details are filled in accurately, click the Save button. This action will schedule your meeting and send invitations to your attendees, complete with the Teams link. And with that, you've successfully scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting using Outlook. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful guides.